Alrighty, welcome back guys to another episode of Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. We are picking up right where we left off in the last episode, and honestly, I have no idea what we're gonna do. There are, I guess these are quests or things to do. So, going to explore around and see what we can do. Alright, I think first things first, we should go and, well actually, we should put on our armor, I guess, and wear that instead of not wearing anything. But we have a lockpick. Where did we pick that up at? I do not recall picking that up. So, here we are. Alright, we are going to try and find the blacksmith. Pretty sure it said he was in this town. So, we're gonna look for him. And, also just gonna explore around the town. And, I'll come back when I find either something useful or we find the blacksmith. So.
Why are you barking?
Alright, well, I walked through the whole town. You know, just found out some stuff, but I could not find that blacksmith anywhere because I was gonna try and get a job there and be a blacksmith, but couldn't find nothing. So we're just gonna head in this direction, see if we see anything. If not, we are going to start heading to the west over here because it looks like in these clouds, it looks like there's a city right here. The looks of it on the map, but I just wanted to see if there was anything to the north up here. And I was gonna go up to the castle and try to look over the hill, but I don't know how that'll go. So we're gonna start heading over here to the B on the map because it does say that that's where the blacksmith. Well, it says where the blacksmith can help you out. So we're gonna head in this direction, and hopefully that's where the blacksmith is. We're gonna go on into this small little town and see what the quest tipper is. Talkov, however you want to say that. See what the quest tipper is, and then we're gonna see if we can find the blacksmith.
Only a blind man can't see it. Sigismund is 1,000 times better than Wenceslas ever was. I hear he settles in
Crazy
Gutenberg.
dude.
They can't prize him high enough in the city.
What about the
What do you want here, you scoundrel? Why'd you barge in here?
Yeah.
What's new around here?
Vostotek. Lord von Beregov's huntsman is a regular here. He might have some work for you. He's got a cottage near Vidlak Pond. So if you know your way around the woods, you could go and offer him your help. I hope he hasn't started drinking somewhere else. He's my best customer. You could also stop by and see Old Mouth. He's the local storyteller. He could tell you all sorts of interesting things, but only if you bring him some liquor. Don't forget, I have some here to sell, if you want. I'm working on a little practical joke myself. We have this little dispute with the Gelievites. You might be interested. And that's all I'd say.
Sounds interesting. Thank you, innkeeper.
I don't want to say farewell.
You're having problems with the Gelievites?
Not just me, my friend. They're the biggest bastards around. They've been nothing but trouble for years. The winter before last, they piled snow in front of everyone's doors at night, so no one could get out of their house. And last year, they broke into my cellar and pissed in my beer barrel.
Gracious. I hope you got your aim back on them.
Not yet, no. But since you're here, I've got a plan you could help me out with. I'd pay you well. You can count on that.
What exactly would you like me to do?
Don't worry. I won't make you do any shoveling or pissing anything. But I'll tell you exactly what I have in mind, only after you promise to help me. I'd hate to reveal my plan, only for you to go off and tell the Gelievites right away.
We'll see
All right.
what it is.
I'll
I
help
kind of
you.
want to help him.
Listen up then. Old Albram, the owner of the biggest plot of land in Zhelyov, has this beautiful bull. White as snow he is, the finest animal far and wide. Obviously, he's very proud of it. Very protective too. Now you, will give his beautiful snow-white bull a nice new coat of paint. Albram is going to lose his mind. Simple, right?
Well, not really.
All right, it's a little complicated, but I'm sure you'll manage. First, we have to get some paint. I don't reckon we'll be able to get any here in the village, but you can try and ask Bartoszek, the tailor in Trotskovitz. I hear he dyes his own fabric. And after
Man,
that,
We just came
we'll have to
from there.
make sure the bull stays still while you're painting it. Try asking Radovan, the local blacksmith. I hear he can make some kind of sleeping potion. If you pour it in the bull's water trough, I'm sure it'll do the trick. But watch out. That beast is enormous. You'd better put at least 3 doses of the potion in there.
All right then. Albram's bull will be getting a new coat of paint.
Albram's going to lose his mind. I can't wait. And remember, it's supposed to be a joke. If you get caught or something goes wrong, the whole thing will be ruined.
Right. So I need paint, sleeping potions, and to not get caught.
Okay, so after I agree to help you and stuff, you freaking kick me out. Wanted nothing to do with me. Alright, we finally made it to the blacksmith.
Christ be praised.
Sir.
I'm
That's
here
the
then.
job.
You said in the alehouse that you could do with a helping hand at the forge, didn't you?
I could. My last 2 hands, well, they're not worth mentioning. And what with the wedding coming up, the work is piling up. What's your name? Henry?
That's right.
You said something in the tavern about being a blacksmith's son, didn't you?
Aye, that's me. My father was a swordsmith, and not just any. He even forged swords for the nobility.
For the nobility, eh? Well, that kind of experience will come in very handy for me indeed. As it happens, I have to forge a wedding present for young Lord Semine. A fine sword.
So you'll take me on?
Hold your horses. I'll have to try you out first. You could forge me a hunting sword as a test, so I can see if you can make a straight blade. That shouldn't give you much trouble if your father was a swordsmith, should it?
Sure thing. I can get started right away.
Great. Find
Starting
some
into our
iron and
blacksmith
get
journey.
started then.
Iron?
You can't make a sword out of butter, but if you don't have your own stuff, you can get everything from the chest in my forge.
Alrighty, thank you, sir.
Go over to the anvil
Oh.
and let's get started.
You just got there. Once again, I need to pay attention and
Give it a
actually read.
practice try. Some things, like swords, are too long to fit in the fire. You have to heat it up. Try poking it around
Yep.
for a bit.
Oh yeah.
Now get the furnace nice and hot. There's a lever above you. Give it a pull. It works the bellow.
Yeah, blow it. Oh, real good. Yes. Oh, hold you down. Okay. Everything nice and hot.
But you won't be able to tell when it's in the fire. You have to take it out from time to time and take a look. Try it out.
Mm-hmm.
See? That's exactly the straw color we want. You've got talent, lad. Now heat up the whole thing. The whole thing is heated up now, so come over
Yep.
to the anvil. Try moving the sword along the anvil so you can get the hang of it. Now take the hammer and try hitting it a few times. See the sparks? That's the sign of a good strike. The more sparks, the better. Also, you can hammer with different degrees of power. A stronger hit will do more, but it'll tire you out faster. Try giving it a few blows, as hard as you can, so I can see how strong you are. That's got a nice ring to it. Of course, if it was all about hitting an anvil with a hammer, any dolt could do it. You've got to hammer the workpiece evenly. One hit next to the other. Very nice. You're doing just fine. But when I say evenly, I mean it. A sword has two sides, like a lot of other things, including myself. Turn it over and continue on the other side. Nice. Now try forging it on both sides. The closer it is to being finished, the more it will take on the shape you want. It'll cool off soon anyway.
This is not going to be an easy task at all.
Henry, when you've got a workpiece heated up, you can't just stand there and gape at it.
Yes, I know.
It's cooled now. You can't do it all in one go. You've got to put it back in the furnace from time to time. Sometimes,
Yeah, I need
go
that.
there and back all day. But it's all part of the craft. Now, get back to the forge and heat it all up again, like before. The whole thing is heated up now, so come over to the anvil.
Run on back.
See that? Besides the sparks, you can tell a good strike by the sound it makes. Sparks are flying nicely. See how it's taking on the right shape? That's how you can tell it's almost finished. Now, I've got a piece of advice for you. Hammer to a rhythm. When I hammer a piece to a beat, the work goes, there you go. You've got it finished. All that's left is to temper it, and the sword will be done. The rest is just tweaking.
Nice. All right.
Right.
$43.
Let's have a look. Very nice work. Your father taught you the trade well.
He'd certainly be happy to hear that.
If you carry on hammering as well as you did today, you've definitely got a job here. Even so, keep in mind, it's all about making sure every strike does its job. That's why you can't let it get cold, or keep striking the same spot. If you work evenly, each strike falling right next to the last one, you can't go wrong. Got that? Or is there something else you want to ask about?
Yeah, it sounds like a plan. We got a deal here. We got the forge that we can use. We can sell all the stuff that we make. That's some coin. And he's given us a bed and a storage bin to throw stuff in. I'll take that. We should. Well, let's see. Go see what this new quest is. Then we'll come back and probably start foraging.
People call you the mouth, right? They say you tell all sorts of stories.
I'm no mouth to you. My name is Denyek. Got that? What do people call you then? Bughead? Arseface?
I'm sorry, Stenyak. I'm Henry.
Pleased to meet you. But you were right about the stories. I could tell you stories so sad they'd make the devil cry. Or would you prefer
I don't have any
something
booze.
so scary it'll make the hairs on your ass turn white? But it's a lot of hard work for me. Now, if you had something to drink or a couple of groschen, that might help loosen my tongue.
I know quite a few stories myself. How about a trade? A story for a story.
All right then. But if it's the one about the magic porridge pot, don't bother. I've heard it 100 times. And that story always leaves me feeling hungry.
Do you know the story about the boy whose pa sent him to steal an evil ogre's treasure?
No, I don't. How does it end?
Well, unfortunately, the evil ogre, Kunesh, catches the boy and eats him, bones and all.
Is that all you got? You wouldn't get a single copper coin for that.
Let's see. How about the one about the band of knights and the gold ring they kept stealing from each other?
That doesn't sound any better.
You know what? I think I'd rather come back another day.
See you later.
Man, I thought we were gonna be able to get that to work. Alright, I'm gonna do one more horseshoe, maybe an axe or two, and then probably another hunting sword. So I'll see you guys when I'm done crafting all of those. Alright, it's a new day. Put our torch away and let's eat some food to start our day off. Let's eat these apples that look like they're kind of going bad. Well, that should be good enough for today.
God grant you health.
I need something that'll put animals to sleep. Prochek said you might know something.
Did you get tired of blacksmithing and take up farming instead? I just happen to know of something. I used a concoction that will put even a startled mare to sleep in no time. I once accidentally drank some and slept for 3 days. But the recipe
That's
is
some
an
pretty
old
powerful
blacksmith
stuff.
secret. The kind you don't just give away. You're in the trade, so I can tell you. Listen up then. You take some poppy and thistle and boil them in oil. Then, after it cools off, you add a little herb Paris.
That doesn't sound too complicated. Thank you.
Yeah, I ain't gonna remember that. Pretty sure there's a garden. Oh, right down here. Maybe we can steal some stuff. Take that. Sage. Marigold, eyebright. None of that stuff we need. Thistle and poppy and some other thing. Let's see. We're gonna go explore and find this town down here. I know this is we need to be, and we can make some coin here. But
God be with you. How's the watch going?
But I want to do some other stuff today too, so I'm in here actually, and I didn't even see this. And off in this direction.
Doesn't it bother you walking around here like some animal?
Really, lady?
Doesn't it bother you to stick your nose in other people's business?
What?
Yes. Newer. Fertilizer, whatever. Go down this back trail. Never know what you find. Really on today. As long as we can be back here before nightfall, or we might have to just sleep. God. Don't have my clothes on. There isn't a path that veers off to the left. We're just gonna cross. Looks like it just keeps going down, so looks like there's something over here, so we're gonna go check it out. Good, this is a path. Not even on the map. Looky there. That tree stump. Look at all these sheep. I thought they were pigs, I'm not gonna lie. In here. Milk. Ooh. I'm sorry, pal. I'm stealing this. I want the milk. Take milk and I'll drink it. Have fun down there. Don't mind me. Okay, well, hopefully we can do this. Cool. I don't understand this.
Ah, damn.
Man. Broke my lockpick. Oh. Don't understand that at all. Luckily, this good fellow gave me some wonderful skins that we can go sell to some trader in this next town. Alright, where are we? We're just gonna cut through the woods right here. Feel like going up and around. Our sword in case we come across anything that wants to attack us. Looky there. Crossbow, I'd shoot you guys. Alright, we're safe now. What is this place? These people look like they might have some money. Okay, a door that don't go nowhere. This is just a random building. So good, sir.
Don't cause any trouble. Got it?
Greetings, Master Guard.
Can't tell me where I'm at. At least, come on now. The baths. I could use a bath. Really? Hi. Horses can get expensive. What in the world? Oh my. That is that's crazy. Oh yes, I need to find a trader too.
God bless.
Oh, is this that one belly love or whatever? Love, call it. Wonder if that's this place. I don't remember the spelling of it. Private area. Dude. Since that white bowl should be around here somewhere. And why do these places have to have lock chests? No.
You could say that. They found a dead body stuck in the wheel on Sunday.
You're kidding. Who was it?
Some vagabond.
God rest his soul.
And get
What are we
this.
talking about here?
Miller Boschka says he was in the water at least a week, judging by the state of his body.
So what? Somebody did him in and chucked him into the water.
But the river there has a powerful current. The dead man had been floating down the river for at least a week.
Without anyone noticing.
Exactly. And that's not all. The dead man had a gold chain round his neck. Can you believe it? Someone bumped him off and didn't even rob him.
That is strange. I reckon something devilish was involved. You don't see something like that every day.
Greetings.
Now, where can I find this body, guys? Alright, we're gonna take this path and it should lead us to that one old lady. At least that's what I'm hoping.
Nothing nice left here at this.
We doing
Here's another one.
Rich pickings today.
Please, let me go. I'll give you everything I have. All of it.
And let you snitch on me to the... Oh, for fuck's sake.
Whoa.
Stop!
Yeah, buddy.
Show
Oh,
what you're
man.
made of.
Going against two here. Come on now. Really, guys?
Do it!
Really?
I've been waiting for you.
Oh, come on now.
Show what you're made.
Come on. Attack me. Attack me. Yep. Block. Get him. Kill him. Stab. There we go. One more. Come on. Come on, buddy. Just you now. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, crap. Oh,
Bleed
crap.
to death before I got you!
No. No. Alright, we gotta try again. We're going back there and we are getting revenge.
Here's another one. Rich pickings today. Please let me go. I'll give you everything. I'll get you. I'm being attacked. I'll kill you. Help!
Hey. Kill that guy like you did last time. Dang, man. Come on now. Guy's armored to the teeth. Gosh dang it. What? Oh my goodness. Alright, we're gonna give it one more shot. And then if I fail, we'll give up on that. Alright, I did a little something smarter now and saved the game. That way I don't have to keep running back here every single time I die. Because, well, we died 2 times in a row. The combat system in this game is not like any other game I've ever played, so we're gonna really try this and try and wait for his mate to get away from him and maybe get a sneak attack on him. If we save the guy, we save him. If we don't, not too worried. I'm stealing everything off of him though. Every single person that dies, I'm taking their stuff.
I'm gonna bash your face in.
No, you're not.
Bad luck.
This is your end, you wretch.
There we go, we took him out before this guy. This guy's different now. In the world.
That was something.
Come on now. Really?
Die.
Oh, come on.
I'll beat
Man.
you to a bloody pulp, fucker.
Okay, now run. Turn around.
Show your stuff.
Backing up. Follow the trail. Hit him. Back up. Friend's injured, so he can't fight me. Be better if he's dead. Okay, come on. See, this guy just has too much armor.
Show your stuff.
Gonna run backwards.
Didn't see that coming, eh?
No, I didn't. Didn't know you had a lunge like that, buddy. Turn and run. Turn
What
around.
do you want?
Gain stamina. Block. Attack.
That'll teach you. It's a wonder you're still standing.
Run.
Show.
Come on now.
Do it.
That just has way too much freaking health. So close to the freaking town.
What do you want?
Surrender. Show
Oh
what I
God,
made
please help
of.
me.
Got it.
No, as soon as I get back, are you serious? As soon as I get back to the town. Alright, let's go, bud.
Curva! I'm wounded.
There we go. 2 good strikes on that guy. Okay, he should be dead. Attack. There we go. There we go. Now it's just one guy. All I have to worry about is one guy. Lure him back to the town. Come on now. This is bullcrap now. Not even doing damage to this guy. This guy's too fast. Also like the other guy. We're just gonna play defense the whole way. Go, come on. Getting a couple good hits in here. Backing it up. Oh. Don't let me run backwards. Come on. Yep. Becoming bandit. Yep, block. We're almost there. Almost to where you're gonna die. Played walking sim. Guards, help! Guards, any day now. We need some help. Come on, man. Come on, we're like in the middle of town now. Come on, get the bandit. Beat him up. Come on. Hit him in the back of the head. Let's go.
Let him have it!
Yeah, get him. Beat
This
him up.
has been going on too long!
Slice him up!
Yeah. There we go. The town folk got you now.
Nice strike!
Why's he still attacking on me, bro?
Yeah!
Don't
What's
spare
it
him.
to be, you wretch?
I beat him.
Let him have it!
That won't work on me!
Slice him up.
Yes.
Thanks to God and the
Good
Blessed
job.
Virgin.
God be with you.
Good day. Did you hear about what happened at the big wheel?
At the mill?
There we go.
Yeah,
Knight's
the place by the
longsword.
Shaharovka stream.
What then? Has the water sprite been up to his mischief again?
Look at all
Say
this.
They found a dead body.
This is
stuck in
why
a
he's-
wheel on Sunday.
You're kidding.
So,
Who was it?
Some vagabond.
God rest his soul.
And get this,
talking about that again.
Miller Boschka says he was in the water at least a week.
Alright, now we're kitted up.
So what?
Ready to go. Use some bandages real quick. About time is all I have to say. It took me way too long, and that guy had way too much health. Obviously, his weak side was on his back, but that was just crazy. Now, I don't know if he killed that other guy or what, but we have to find his friend. Hey, look at there. Off of complete randomness. Well, I'm just gonna... Oh. There he is. Oh, you jack. Oh, we're taking that. It's worth a lot. Same with that, too. And that. Rosary. Piece of crap. Alright, let's continue along this trail. Finish getting to this old lady's house. Hopefully we don't run into another bandit.
Need to get a spade first.
Why would it want me to dig? Oh. Definitely gonna come back there. And talk to this lady first. Old lady.
Have you seen Pavlena anywhere, Henry?
Oh no. Whoa.
Has something happened?
My daughter Pavlena. Remember her? She was here when I was healing you two.
I remember. What's wrong with her?
She's missing. It's not like her to be wandering around like that. She goes to Troskovitz to sell baskets, but she knows I can't manage on my own, so she never stays away for long. These old eyes of mine can't see nothing much. Pavlena has to take care of me. She's a good girl, that lass of mine. I'm very worried about her. You understand? What if something's happened to her? God forbid. I can't look for her myself, but you could. I know I'm asking a lot of you, but I've no one else to turn to.
All right, good wife. I'll try to find Pavlena for you.
Thank you, Henry. If I was you, I'd ask in Troskovitz. That's where she was heading last time I saw her. And if she arrived, someone must have seen her. And you can look in the hut in her place in the loft. She keeps her things there. My old legs ain't up to climbing stairs, but you might find some clues there.
Uh-oh. Clean ourselves off. There were bandits just down the road. A chance to have that shovel around. You borrow it again. Lady, where's your spade?
So, Pavlena, what have you left for me? Clothes. If she planned to run away, she'd have taken them with her. Hey, this is a boy's cap. Does Pavlena wear it? Or did someone leave it here?
Might as well pick it up.
She's got unfinished work here. Like she got up and went straight out.
mind if I do. We're gonna take a sleep real quick. Actually, no we won't. But we are going to end this episode off here. We didn't do an incredible amount, but we did do a lot of running around. I mean, I ran from here up to there, did some blacksmithing, came down here, and got my butt handed to me by some bandits. So I definitely need to work on my combat skills. But this video has been going for way long enough. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.